Hi everyone, welcome to Dad Makes Things. Today I am going to be replacing a belt that I had been using for a long time with a new one. I'll be making my own belt. So the first thing I'm going to do is take the belt and measure it. Boom. And cut it. See how wide the belt is. It's probably around 1.5. Put a link to Amazon where you can buy just 2-inch straps like this if you're interested in doing something like that. 1.5 inches. What I did is I unscrewed this belt buckle off of here, and it came off just like this. So I just unscrewed that. If you need a belt buckle and you're just doing this will go on the end of here. Like this. I'm going to need these holes in the belt, and for the holes in the belt you can pick up one of these. This is a leather punch. Line it up, and wherever there's holes for the belt buckle to go into, I am just going to put a dot so that I know where to do the hole punch. Now I've got my belt holes in there. Now I'm going to take the end of it, because it's just squared off, and I'm going to round it off a little bit so that it's a little bit more like this. There's one hole here at the end that is used for this belt buckle. And then what we're going to do is we're going to dye it. Black leather dye here. This is just a sponge right here. Put it underneath this, and then we're going to dye it. One thing I should do before I dye it, there's a little thing where it takes off the corners, so that you don't have such a strong corner on the belt. And just kind of right along the edges of this belt, just kind of soften a little bit. Alright, now we've got a nice dark leather belt. Burnish just a little bit. It has these nice soft rolls in there. It finishes the edges so that they're a little bit continuous. They're a little bit smoother. They're rounded off a little bit. Now all I'm going to do is take the buckle and put the buckle on. Everyone's buckle will go on differently, so I'm not going to spend too much time on the buckle part. We got the black belt buckle. All is good. We have a completed belt.